for me, I'm often asked, what advice would I give to an entrepreneur or somebody who's studying business? And what makes a successful entrepreneur? And I wasn't born with money. My family didn't have money. I didn't have a particularly innovative idea. It was just changing something that existed, making banking better. But I think the one piece of advice I would give to people is, during your life, you have good days, you have bad days. Sometimes you have good weeks, you have bad weeks, good months, bad months. And the secret is, it doesn't matter how good or bad it is, just I get up and I go to work. And you go, well, it doesn't sound much of a thing to say, but back in 2008, when I was trying to raise the money for Metrobank, we got commitments to about $116 million. Hard to do, really hard to raise money. All came from America. And on the last day, when we got all these commitments, I flew home. And on the Monday morning, Lehman Brothers, the investment bank, went bust. And the American banking system almost came to a halt. And of the $116 million we had committed, 65 million disappeared that week. Some of the firms disappeared that week. And it would have been really easy just to stay in bed and go, oh, it's just all too difficult. But I'd get up and I went to work, and it was tough, but we got through it. We came out the other side.